We went there last 2 days. 2 days.
But don't worry, because of my viewers, there are some too that are not that good at English, so you can speak Chi or any of the local languages that you are good at.
Ɛhɔ na mepɛ sɛ wɔnka nkyerɛ me sɛ menka twi na me ho kyerɛ me wate ase onua. You know say school no.
Okay, sorry for that, right?
Yeah. Friday boy.
This is your boy Ahmed, and I'm once again back in the video. Today we are here to know much about Dodowa, right? They've been celebrating their festival for some. Please, your name?
Oh, Ebenezer.
From
Kumasi, you know.
Okay, so for how many years have you been to Dodowa?
Oh, it's been 1 year.
1 year since you came here. Okay, so you are from Ibuakwa. Can you say a bit of shout out to your people there?
Shout out to my guys, you know, all my ghetto guys. Kofi Jama, he be my follower, you know. Oh yes, you know I'm an incoming musician.
Is it only Kofi Jama that you know in your area?
Oh, and my king, you know, Otunfo is here. I feel Otunfo be my king, you know. Everywhere I go, I follow Otunfo, you know, because he's my king.
That's just by the way. Back to business. So you've been to Dodowa.
Yes.
You said for 1 year. What's happening now currently?
Oh, see, I know the say last week no mo sha say omo ye bibi. Omo de mfidie gu car mu and omo nam and so say omo be festival. Be me so no me hu bi da nti no e manage say me hu say festival no the way be sima ko ni the way be sima dey.
So is that the reason why there are a lot of flyers and banners in town?
Yes.
And
the festival.
And I could see for the past 4 or 5 days there are a lot of people visiting the town.
Yeah.
So like what's special about Dodowa?
You know, Dodowa, since I came here, I see a lot of place like Chingu Force. They say Shy Hills. We went there last 2 days. 2 days.
But don't worry, because of my viewers, there are some too that are not that good at English, so you can speak Chi or any of the local languages that you are good at.
ɛhɔ na mepɛ sɛ wɔnka nkyerɛ me sɛ menka twi na me ho kyerɛ me wate ase onua. You know say school no.
Okay, sorry for that, right? So you are speaking Chi or
Twi, meka twi.
Places of attraction and something special about the people of Dodowa.
Baby na like attractive, you know. A bit say Chinku Forest, you know. Say hono
Chinku Forest.
Yes,
Chinku Falls or
Chinku Forest, yeah, you know Chinku Forest rather. Sa Chinku Forest no chele me call hono manage keke. I want do e do pan I say even club environment and come more feel cold. Correct.
So that place is nice, right?
Yeah, it's nice, but manage home papa.
So will you be free one day where you go with me there and go and check and see whether what you are telling me is true?
Yeah.
So it's allowed there.
Yeah, it's allowed.
We'll go there.
Yeah, we'll go there.
So whenever you have time, let me know so that we'll go and visit Chinku Forest too. Okay. Is it Chinku Forest or Chinku? Chinku Falls. Chinku Waterfalls. Okay. Then what else? Or is that all?
And Shy Hills, you know. Yeah, there's a lot of monkey there. If you go see the monkey, Chele, it no be easy.
Have you seen some before?
Yeah.
And have you been there before?
Yeah. That one me catch you say 2 days later ni Yokoho.
Okay. So that's what is happening currently. Okay. So I think it's cool now. And I interviewed a lady previously and she's told me a lot about it. Though you are not a native, you understand? Alright, so can you give another shout out to your friends in Dodowa here and there as well?
Oh, you know, shout out to Habib, YouTuber or Mr.TourayGh, you know. Ojira menchena mene kasa so masheda so ati asiai. And shout out to you know me who they are because I'm a new auntie no mention that one be na me name mumudi so ati asiai. Oh bye Dodowa I nice. Matra mani aje.
So how are you?
No hey ebi antokwa we so what you say so hwe ohun so ye wa ha o betena ha fili mu So what you say?
How is doing business in Dodowa like?
If you do business, you know here there's a lot of people. Some people just came here. Share their house into Matidino. The name Edino Dodo Dino drew a chi. And be a person over here Dodo. And so your business or fast na town also a big. And so we start business actually. Now say when it simple.
Okay. So I have two questions, simple questions that I'll ask you, right?
Oh.
Yeah. So are you going to answer them?
Yes.
Okay. So please, how many regions do you have in Ghana?
Oh, 16 regions,
Wow. All right. Then the second question will be,
say me, I do geography, so everywhere.
you read geography.
Yeah, I read.
Thank you for bringing yourself. Okay. So let's say this is the African map, right? Ghana is in the middle. And this is in 3-in-1 question. Which country can you find at the left side of the map when we are facing it?
It's Togo.
You said it. Which one can we find at the right side?
Niger.
And on top of Ghana?
On top of Ghana. Burkina Faso, yes.
All right. Thanks for your contribution, but let me correct him before he leaves here. Oh yes.
Oh.
On the left side of Ghana or left part of Ghana is Côte d'Ivoire.
Côte d'Ivoire.
On the right, when facing the map, is Togo.
Okay.
And on top is Burkina Faso.
That one there, I'm right.
Yeah, that one you are right. So you got, is it 1 out of 3?
Oh.
Then so what of the bottom? Last question.
Father. The bottle. The bottle or the bottom.
Bottom.
The bottom. The bottom or the bottle.
The bottom.
The bottom. Okay. The bottom, no.
Which country is there?
You see, the bottom, no. Countries, yes, and but the word down upon we can say this country, Gabon, Gabon.
Abba! Let me correct you once again. The bottom, there's no country. It's the Gulf of Guinea. It's the water, the sea. All right. So thanks for your contribution.
But that they say the time we are sending shots in more geography for no I'm buying money and the moon let's me
Okay. So thank you, historian. Your nickname, please.
Kinji,
Right. Thank you, Kinji, for your contribution. Give me Boza. All right. I'll see you in the next video. This is your boy, Ahmed Toure. Salam.